The renovation project consists of the practice facility at the Lozano Golf Center and what used to be the executive 9-hole golf course. We are thankful that the city of Corpus Christi has embraced this project and recognizes the value of golf to its citizens and tourists, and we're just so excited about a complete redo of the golf course and the practice facility. Up until this project, it was literally a flat piece of ground with 9 little bitty push-up greens. The only thing that was irrigated were a couple of sprinkler heads. We've selected premium turf grasses for the golf courses. We're going to use Platinum TE Seashore Paspalum on the greens. And we're going to use Celebration Bermuda grass for tees, fairways, and rough. We're moving approximately 80,000 cubic yards of earth on just a 9-hole project. And the second part of the project is both the practice facility and the Firefly golf course are going to be lit at night. We're lighting 41 acres so that hours can be extended. Concerning the practice facility, our present facility has 35 hitting stations, which as part of this project we're going to expand to 50 hitting stations. Our range floor is now going to have target greens that are going to be shaped in similar to the greens on the golf course and the greens on the Firefly golf course, so that it'll be a real practice experience. We're going to have 2 chipping greens with chipping fairways, and we'll also have 2 bunkers so people can work on their sand game. We're working our way through the golf course, and we're about to complete the 3rd hole shaping from tee to green. Then we plant the grass, and our target is to have all of the facilities planted by the end of May once they reopen. We're targeting the 1st of September. We think that it will be another entertainment venue opportunity for the people that are here visiting. We just hope to add to the great package that Corpus Christi has for great things to do.